everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to hide online status on Messenger. Now for that, open the Messenger application first. Tap open the application. Once you open the application and you are at the home page, you tap on the profile icon on the top left. Tap that. It will direct you to the profile setting of yours. Now here on this page, what you need to do is you need to tap on active status inside profile. Tap that. Show when you're active, show when you're active together. So there are two ways how you can be seen active or how other people can see you active. To hide online status, you need to tap on the top option toggle. Pause active status first. You won't be able to see when your friends or connection are active, recently active, or in a chat with you. To hide online status, you need to change this option and your status active will no longer be shown on Messenger. There's a way how you can do it, that is, there's a time period for you to choose from. Until I change it, 1 hour, 8 hour, until 8 p.m. You can also choose the custom option also where you can provide the time that you want. Tap that and you will have the option to choose date, year and month. Now you just choose your option and then pause. With this, you will no longer be seen as an active status on Messenger. Likewise, you will also not be able to see other people being active or not in the Messenger. So this is how you can hide online status. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.